The signal flow graph for the system is given below figure. The transfer function of the system is y of s upon u of s is we have to find. We have to use the Mason's gain formula y of s upon u of s equal to, there are two forward paths. Therefore, P1 delta 1 plus P2 delta 2 divided by delta. P1 delta 1 equal to first forward path. The gains of this first forward path is 1 by s square. Delta 1, the delta of the part of graph which is not touching the forward path is nil. Therefore, delta 1 equal to 1. P2 delta 2 equal to delta 2 also equal to 1 because there is no part of graph which is not touching the second forward path. The second forward path is this, its forward path gain is 1 by s, delta 2 equal to 1. Therefore, P1 delta 1 plus P2 delta 2 equal to 1 by s square plus 1 by s. This is the numerator. Denominator equal to what? Delta equal to 1 minus gain products of individual loops. How many loops are there? This is one loop and this is another loop. That gains are 4 by s and minus 4. Another loops are this and this. This and this. If you write the expression for these loops, what you will get is minus 2 by s, minus 2 by s, the minus 2 by s square. That's all. If you simplify this, 1 plus 4 by s plus 2 by s equal to 6 by s plus 4 plus 2 by s square. So if you take 1 by s square outside, you will get 5s square plus 6s plus 2. This is denominator. Numerator is this. Therefore, u y of s upon u of s equal to 1 by s square. If you take outside for this, you will get 1 plus s divided by 1 by s square, 5s square plus 6s plus 2. 1 by s square getting cancelled. Therefore, s plus 1 upon 5s square plus 6s plus 2. That's all.